Okay, so this is my level I've created to develop stealth mechanics and a scene for them to be used in. At the start I've got a video fly through which gives a quick overview of the level. So the main goal is to get through the level while staying undetected. There are patrolling and static guards around the level protecting locations. I have certain areas like this that have hide spots, so if I'm caught by an enemy I can head over here, get into the locker and break the enemy's line of sight, which will force them to return to their guard spot. I can then press H again to leave the locker and carry on. Got to keep an eye on where the guards are moving throughout the level so you don't get caught out. So I wait, see where he goes, and then I know I can now sneak behind him. As you'll see down there, there are two guards protecting the lower floor exit with a crate hanging above them. So I can move over to the crate. I can use C to cut the crate, dropping it on the guards and breaking their line of sight. Here the spotlights, if I get caught into one of those it will set off an alarm which will alert the guards to my location. The way the guards work is if they're guarding a location and they see you, they'll chase you down until you get a certain distance away from them and then they'll head back to their guard spot. So in this location the player needs to know exactly where his target is, so rather than walking around and hunting him down you can press 2 to move to the drone. The drone can be used to scan enemies to see whether they're carrying anything of use. The light will flash a red if they're not carrying anything, and it will flash green if they are. So now I know which guard I need to go to. I can switch back to my oh, wrong button. I can switch back to my main character and head over to where the drone is. Once I'm behind the drone, or the enemy, sorry, I can press K to kill the enemy and move on with my mission, which is then to escape on the train. Once at the end of the train, you must pull the pin to release the other carts. and end the level. It's a slow motion train crash. Okay, so I'm going to quickly run through to the alternate route in the level. Just got to remember to keep an eye on the surroundings in the level. So here's the elevator which you can take to either floor. Jump out here. Here's another crate drop which you can use to capture the guard strolling through the tunnel. So if I take the alternate route through the vent shaft, it will take me to above the train station as opposed to the ground floor. This way, if you take this way, originally there's less guards, but you will have to traverse the top area to get down to the stairs, which will lead out behind the guard. Again, you can switch to the drone here, fly the drone, scan the guards, switch back and traverse all the way around to the lower floor. Okay, so I'm quickly just going to show the guard's reaction to when he sees you. So if I run over, he's going to try and catch me. I am fast enough to get away and break line of sight, but if he does catch me, see, if he gets certain distance from the guard spot, he'll head back because that's his priority. But if he sees me, see the health hit, he'll damage me until I can escape the line of sight or the distance from the guard spot, in which case I'll move on to the next guard.